There's a really cool website called Photofunia, and it's completely free to use. There's lots of different graphical filters and photo effects that you can use on this website. There's also some cool text effects as well. And in this video, I'm going to be highlighting those text features, at least a few of them. There's over 600 effects in this website, and so I'm going to show you 3 right now. The first one is a snow sign text feature. You can see on the right hand side there is an example of it. So you can type in your text here on the left. I'm just going to type in, for example, happy birthday, and I'll click go. And how cool is that? You can make this into a birthday card or a social media post. You can download it right here, large, regular, or small. There's also a download option up on the top right hand side. The second one I really like is a neon writing feature. Again, you can see an example here on the right hand side. Here, for example, I've put in Party Central in the first piece, and then the second piece is Everyone Welcome. The second one is optional. First one is mandatory. I'll click go. And we get a nice big picture here that we can download. And I think this looks really cool for a book cover or a social media post. Very cool. The third one's pretty simple as well. It's a denim embroidery option. You can just add your text right here. And then there's different colors of the threads. So for example, if I'm a purple guy, I'm going to click go. And I love it. We get an embroidered mock-up of a jean jacket. I think that can look really cool. Again, book cover, social media post. You can really let your imagination run wild. Photofunia has over 600 different graphical design features, tons of text options, illustrations, filters, and photograph filters. Check them out today. It's completely free. I'll put a link to it in the video description down below. Here's another video on how you can have some fun completely for free.